Today, I'm gonna kill a man.
Alright, listen up. If you're struggling to earn high ticket commission as an affiliate marketer, it is not because you are not working hard. It is because you're probably stuck in the grind and you're chasing tactics and missing out on the core strategy. Most marketers make things way more complicated than they need to be. Legion, this is Joe Muir. Welcome to Joe Life Academy YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I overcame an 8 month of struggling to earn commissions as an affiliate marketer. In May 2021, I gave myself 2 months to go all in and learn how to do digital and affiliate marketing. I saw all these other men and women doing it, and I knew I had to take the chance to and make the change on our situation, and it did. I now get to be home every day and work just a couple of hours a day from anywhere, all while making way more than 8 of my old full-time incomes combined. There is no secret sauce to making this work. Expect to be willing to learn something new every day, as action takers are money makers. Let me ask you, are you missing out on sales and wasting time and money on ineffective campaigns? Here's the thing, money is in the simplicity and automation. You are frustrated because you don't have enough qualified traffic, right? I did. And the traffic you're getting isn't converting. It's like people just come in and see you off and go. Or maybe you built this elaborative sales funnel that's so complicated that even you get lost into it. It happens all the time. I've been there. What you want is a simple, predictable system that gets you a steady stream of buyers, not just traffic, but qualified buyers. You want to build trust with your audience and not spend all the day chasing new leads, cracking out the content, and feeling like you are getting nowhere. I've done that. You're probably afraid that if you don't crack this code soon, you'll burn out or plateau at a mediocre income levels. Here's the deal. You need to streamline, focus on what's working, ditch all the fluffy and automate the rest. You don't need more traffic, you need the right traffic. Okay? You don't need to build a funnel that looks like it's come from NASA. You need one that's simple and gets people from point A to point B very fast. And the follow-up, that's where the magic happens. High ticket commission don't happen on the first touch. It's never happened. It's the relationship that you build within the follow-up sequences, the automated nature, and the offer position that close the deals. But here, what's important? None of this work if you are running on fumes or worse, doing everything manually. If you're trying to juggle everything by yourself, you're going to hit a wall. What you need is to systemize and scale without adding more stress to you. You've got the products, you have got the hustle, now it's time to simplify, automate, and scale it. Keep it stupid and simple and stay focused on the basics and let automation do the heavy lifting for you. You can use my system for just the price of a cup of coffee on the link below. Alright, here are the 5-step breakdown of running a successful affiliate marketing business that I use on my business currently. You can get the checklist by visiting dailybusinessreviewer.com/7 steps. Beware missing out on sales and ineffective campaign and the 5 other threats to the right traffic. Step number 1 is attraction. You can't sell anything if people don't know you exist, right? So your first job is to attract the right people to your brand. How to do that? You leverage digital assets like I do. Things like content, lead magnets, social media, blogs, and even webinars that pull people in. You've got to use these tools to create consistent attention around your offers. Remember, you're not just trying to get clicks, you're building awareness and interest that lasts. These assets aren't just quick fixes. You have to work hard. They are long-term machines that generate more commissions over time, non-stop. If you figure it out, it will be amazing. Step number 2 is picking their interest with the right questions. Once you've got their attention, you can't stop there, You need to pick their curiosity by asking the right questions. This is key because you don't buy products, they buy solution to their problem. Okay? Start conversation around what they need, what's holding them back, and how you can help them ahead. Always remember, We're in this business of servicing others, or as my mentor says, it's all about helponomics. Your job is to show them how your product or services can make their life better. And you do that by asking questions that tap into their pains, points, and desires. Step number 3 is nurture them with email sequences, sometimes Facebook groups or a school community. Here's where the real magic happens, nurturing.
And that's one you need to know going in, because it's going to happen to you. At some point, everything's going to go south on you. Everything's going to go south, and you're going to say, this is it. This is how I end. Now, you can either accept that, or you can get to work. That's all it is. You just begin. You do the math. You solve one problem, then you solve the next one, and then the next. And if you solve enough problems, you get to come home.
Most affiliate marketers fail because they don't do this right. You can't just hit people with an offer right away and expect them to convert, especially for high-ticket items. It's never gonna happen. You need to build a trust over time. That's done through nurturing them with email sequences, engaging them with a Facebook group, or even bring them into your school community. Consistent interaction through emails or community gives them values, help them to see you as a leader, and makes them ready to buy when the time is right. Step number 4, conversion with a great offer. Now it's your time. You have attracted them, you picked their interest and nurtured them to the point where they already and ready to make a decision.
Well, thanks, Abigail. I'll be in touch. You. How long you been a legal secretary?
24 years this spring.
You good at what you do?
I'm great at what I do.
Then you start tomorrow.
The key to conversion, it's a killer offer. You have to provide them with a killer offer. This is where you explain the product or services in a way that show them the transformation they are going to experience. Don't sell features, sell result. Okay? Sell where they want to be. You have to present your offer in a way that makes it irresistible. People don't buy because of logic, they buy because they want a solution. Your offer needs to clearly demonstrate that you have the solution they need, and that's it. Then step number 5 is ascension to high tickets and recurring services. This is where you win in the affiliate game. Once you've made the first sale, it's all about upselling them into the high ticket or recurring offers. Think about it. You've already built a relationship, they trust you, now they've bought something from you. Okay? The next step is offering them something even better, like a high ticket coaching program that you offer, or a premium service that they can use to ease their life, or a recurring subscription that they can use to fasten their things. This is where the real money is made, and where you build a business that grows exponentially. It's a non-stop situation. So you're not just looking for one-off sales, you are looking for a lifetime customer here. So there you have it. Attraction, interest, nurturing, conversion, and ascension. My 5-step system that I used in affiliate marketing. These 5 steps that create a repeatable system for affiliate success. Keep it simple, focus on saving your audience, and leverage automation so you can scale without burning out. Remember to get access of my affiliate marketing system for the price of a cup of coffee. Yes, $7 instead of a normal price of $47 today on the link below, or visit dailybusinessreviewer.com/bizop. And my free checklist on how to build profitable affiliate marketing business fast, go get it at dailybusinessreviewer.com/7-step. And for the courtesy of the algorithm, would you please like this video, follow and subscribe for more make money online tips, strategies, and resources. And also, comment below with your biggest question when it comes to starting and growing a successful affiliate marketing business. Yes. We all know starting and growing an affiliate marketing business, it's not easy. Unless you have the right mentor, would you like me to reach out to see if I may be able to help you? So, see you tomorrow on the next exciting lesson on my journey, and I hope to inspire you to make more actions that will lead you to earn daily commissions. Peace. You are unmotivated because of one of these 3 reasons. 1, you don't have a goal, vivid life objective, or your goal or objectives aren't big enough for you, or you don't know how to achieve them. So my advice to you is just figure out which one you are at and start to take action to make your dream a reality. Death is inevitable. Everybody will die, even me, I'll die. Therefore, life is too short for you to play it safe with every opportunity that comes your way, like this opportunity you have today in front of you. Of course, don't make stupid decision and say YOLO. Just live a life you would be proud of. See you in the next video.